Hey everybody, it's Sid here. Welcome back to another Animal Jam video. Today I am going to be looking at the May 2024 update for Play Wild. So here we go. Throwback bundle. For a limited time, you can get a big bundle of items from Animal Jam's past. I just realized I said May 2024. It's June. Whoops. This month's throwback bundle comes with the hippo, the beautiful and baller outfits, pet lion, and its toys, and the marshmallow den, complete with exclusive items and music. It's cool. Yeah, I didn't do May's one because I was busy and at the beginning of a month I had a cold and my voice was all weirded out, and then I just never got a chance to actually do it, and I was like, oh, it's too late, so oh well. Pet tortoises. Pet tortoises are here, and these land-dwelling turtles are ready to slowly make their way into your heart. Crystallis, join the battle. I am guiding Jammer to the entrance to the phantom dungeons that have opened beneath Crystallis. Graham believes that the network of Crystallis' light side casts a great shadow that has formed the phantom dungeons. Oh my god, it's Sir Gilbert. Have we seen him in 3D? I don't think so, and I did some of the new adventures, and oh boy, Sir Gilbert, he could be looking better. As a Sir Gilbert pack member, I'm very happy to see him though. So, yay, Gilby! Turtle road safety. Roads are a huge threat to turtles. If you ever see a turtle crossing a road, stop and help it the rest of the way. Large turtles can be lifted by the back of their shells. Just don't tug on their tails. Small turtles can be picked up by the sides of their shells and carried across. Yeah, my dad and I were getting ice cream the other day, and we saw a snapping turtle on the road. And we were thinking, oh, we should get it, but it was booking it across, and it made it by the time we left, so that was good. Stop before you hop. Smart jammers always think before you hop on unknown links. That's good internet safety. Liza's talked about the Phantom Dungeons. Eurasian wolves. Eurasian wolves are here. These wolves are a subspecies of the gray wolf that lives across the European and Asian continents. The lone Eurasian wolf bundle comes with a little Red Riding Hood outfit. Oh, that's so cute. Celebrate Pride Month, and then secure your account. Summer Carnival's here. Ladybug Roundup. Wild wolves. Eurasian wolves have been hunted to stop them attacking sheep, but they're protected. That is good. So we are going to go. Yay, I'm a member. I forgot to log in earlier, so I should be having 9, but it's 8 times. Oh well. What you gonna do about it? Yay, 100 gems. Alright. So, I am going to the Sapphire shop, and I'm going to get the new Eurasian wolf. Now, my favorite thing about the Eurasian wolf is, Classified, the wolf played by Benedict Cumberbatch in, Penguins of Madagascar. Penguins of Madagascar. He is a Eurasian wolf. So I might actually make an Asian. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Little Red's outfit. Well, we have to keep it red, right? Yeah, Little Red's outfit. Little Red Riding Wolf. By bundle. Little Red Wolf tail. Little Red cuffs. Little Woodsman's hatchet. Little Red capelet. Little Red paltok. And a Eurasian wolf. He is so cute. Oh my goodness, he is so cute. I love his colors. We're gonna look at his little thing, gonna dance. Oh, it's so cute. The little thing is going around, sniffing. I see dogs do that all the time. Checks out. Jumping, sitting, and sleeping. Oh, that is so cute. What a good pupper. What a good puppy whoopee. So, the Summer Carnival's here. And yes, it's Summer Carnival, so we have that, all the normal games. I think they still have the same den items. But yeah, the inflatable stuff and the carnival stuff. Probably same clothing item as well. Yeah, checks out. They sometimes have new stuffies. I don't know if they're still doing it. Let's see, owl, sloth, grizzly bear. Yeah. More of same. Do we have any new animals, though? Python, no, because, any current animals? Yeah, it looks like just the same plushies as before. Maybe they'll put new ones. So yeah, Summer Carnival's fun. Gonna make some some yummies. Choose a cone. That one. That feeling when Animal Jam Classic has more cotton candy combinations than like special cotton candies than Play Wild. At least we have that going for us. Am I right, AJ Classic players? At least I'm pretty sure they haven't added the new ones to Play Wild yet. And let's see, why am I not in the carnival anymore? But yeah, I got a Phantom. I think that's the only one on Play Wild. Correct me if I'm wrong. So we're gonna go to Crystallis. And why are my raccoon's eyes glitched? This is not cool. Ah, yeah, we're doing a trick. Ooh. Hi, Gilby. Oh my goodness, hi, Gilby. I'm part of your pack. Oh my god, Gilby. Gilby. In the squad. And we are going to play once Creamy is ready. Creamy? Start the game, Creamy. Creamy? Yeah. Start the game. Okay, people are gonna probably join my squad since Creamy's not starting. Yay! Everyone but Creamy. Here we go. Start the game. Waiting for other jammers. I'm going to be a healer because a lot of times healers don't have brain cells. Oh yes, tricksters are the best. Some people hate tricksters, but they're the only ones who can get through phantom shields. I remember having an absolute idiot who banned tricksters for no reason, and we lost because all the phantoms ended up getting shields and they killed all of us. And there was only one healer in the entire game. I was trying out a different role, and the healer didn't heal anyone except for themselves, and they only heal themselves when they were at like 22 out of 25 health. And I remember being at 4 health, and this person didn't heal me, didn't heal any other people who were at 4 health, and it was bad. We lost very badly. They're going to strike. My strategy is I only heal people when they are at less than half health. It's a triage system I do. Look at the crystals, they're so pretty. I also like how this kind of reminds me of D&D, but also like a comic book when they're fighting. It's awesome. Boom. Look, it's a comic book. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. So this round, I am going to prepare unless somebody gets to less than half health. So, because it seems like it's, yeah, I'm gonna prepare. Actually, that's not a good idea because that one has a shield. Whoops. Oh well. Couldn't really do much else. But I'm going to have a good strike. Oh no. Strike that one. Boom. Perfect. Scrap 11. I think I have that one. 3 dungeon coins. Okay, we are going strike, going for the healer. So one question I have about this is, one, how do you do the shields? Because I see all ranks do shields, and I don't know how they do that because I don't have an option. Do you need like an item to do it? I'm not sure. Please comment below. I am confuzzled. Oh no. Oh no, I'm going to have to heal you, Billy Bob, if the other person doesn't heal you already. Just gonna wait and see, because I don't want to waste my healing if someone else. Okay, that healer's attacking, so I'm going to heal Billy Bob. Perfect. Yeah. Yay. Yippee. One's dead, so there's only 1 or 2 left? Or 3? Oh, no, they're all gone. Okay. I am going to strike this trickster. Boom. 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 And that one's healing himself, even though he hasn't been hurt. Oh, you need healing. Technically, they're more than halfway, but still, I can't heal right now, so unicorns, aw, you better do that. I'm going to strike the trickster since I can't heal yet. I don't know what green's doing. Green's doing nothing. They might be AFK. Oh, yes. Oh, they healed me. I didn't even know I was not well. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. I'm going to heal them. I'm going to just go ahead and strike the trickster. Oh no, we're already doing that. I am going to get the healer then. That should take care of it, and then we will be on our next round, and then I will start to heal if needed. And we got nut scrap 15. I am selling my spare ones for 50 saps each if you need to do that. I'm going to go heal American Horror Story. They're technically not half, but is better safe than sorry in my eyes. That one's going to strengthen up, strengthening up, healing, great, awesome sauce. We are going to strike. Someone's gonna get that one, I think. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, so the tricksters are on that one. They're getting that one. I'm going to get the guardian. Yeah, it looks good. Then blue is... I don't know what blue's doing. Okay, blue's getting that. Rip. Why didn't blue get the other one? I don't know. Alright, so we're halfway done. Oh, good. I need healing. Billy Bob and I need healing, but I can't do that, so unicorns all needs to. Green. Oh, good. Billy Bob's getting healed. I can heal myself next round if no one else gets hurt. And that's not doing anything. And that worked. Boom. Alright. I will actually, that's gonna be gone. So I'm going to heal myself so that I am all caught up for the next round. I was thinking of preparing myself, but I think it's better if I have more HP. Or energy, as they call it. Yay, dungeon coins. I heard somebody got like 2 alpha items within an hour from this, so I don't get it. Strike. We get the sneaky leg first because they are the most dangerous. And they're dead. Then I usually get the protective and mending leg. Mending leg is annoying because it heals, but protective leg puts shields on everybody. Look at that. There's absolutely nothing we can do. So I'm going to prepare. And that's what I'm going to do since I cannot do anything. How do they do shields though? I don't get it. I do not have a shield button. And they're a healer, so I should be able to have it. I don't get it. Somebody comment down below how the shield thing works. Oh god, Billy Bob needs healing. Never mind. Oh wait, no they do. Oh, wait, what? Okay. American Horror Story. I'm already prepared, so... Okay, that one's getting healed, so I'm going to strike the protective leg. Boom. Look at that. And they're back to full health. Wonderful. And that one's mending. And that one's attacking. So somebody's probably going to get the protective leg. So I am going... Yeah, so I'm going to get the mending leg. They're dead. One's gone. Boom. Boom. And that's a wrap. Yay, dungeon banner. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.